Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to look at the two-place baffles and seals. They're completely different from the four-place airplanes. And as you saw, there was one right there, and then here it is after being redone, cleaned and painted and resealed. So stay tuned while we look at all the baffles for the two-place. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now here's the one from the other front, and you can see right there, you can't even see one of the pieces of the seal because it blends in so well with the shadow. But there it is flipped over, and you can see the seal piece on the right hand side in the middle. And this is what it looks like when that piece was completely redone. Then we're going to reorient it and let you look at it from this end. So you kind of get a feel for what it's going to look like when you're doing these. Now the two-place baffles and baffle seals are actually easier to do than the four-place airplanes because of the way they're assembled and the way they go together. So except for that one little bit hanging on to the push rod tubes, I think they're a lot easier than the four-place airplanes. And so again, what you're going to see here is each of the pieces as they came off the old engine, and then what they look like after they were cleaned and painted and then had new baffle seal material pop riveted to it. So the whole purpose of this is for you two-place drivers, that if you ever decide to redo yours, like this one right here on the front pilot side piece, that's what it looks like coming off. We're going to flip it over, let you look at the other side. But this will serve as a guide for you if you ever decide to do yours. And there is nothing special about the blue paint here. It just matched the airplane we were working on. You can make them any color you want, white, red, whatever will match your airplane or whatever scheme you want. They don't really do anything to transfer heat. So again, this is just a guide for what you can look at, including the Caterpillar grommet right there in that one hole for the tube to come through. But there's Caterpillar grommet there, but it was so brittle it broke right off when we removed it. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found this look at all the baffle seals for the two-place airplane useful and informative. We're going to have a shot coming up right here of the completed sets all on the airplane when it was all put back together before going to the airport. So that's what your baffles and baffle seals can look like being completely redone. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.